day here in Washington. Don't know why I'm narrating this. Just felt like the right thing to do since I'm the only one in the car, since Robert cut himself on the door. Not a big deal, right? Well, because he has an issue with blood. I don't blame him. So do I. Well, got out, went to go get patched up, and passed out. Knocked his head on the ground. Shit ain't cool. So now I feel bad. Should probably put a warning on my door that says caution, sharp objects. Have to remember to do that. This video will be documentation of that. I kind of feel like I should pull off and see how he's doing. Oh, no, he's coming to get in the car. Wow, Robert's a trooper.